Imagine a vast field filled with apple trees. In a capitalist system, these trees can be owned by individuals or companies. They decide how many apples to pick, who gets to pick them, and at what price to sell them. The owners invest in tools and hire workers, aiming to make a profit by selling apples. Workers are paid for their labor, but the owner reaps the benefits of any extra value created. Now, envision that same field under a communist system. Here, the community or the state owns the apple trees. Decisions on how to distribute apples are made with the goal of ensuring everyone gets a fair share according to their needs. The theory is that this system promotes equality and aims to eliminate class distinctions by not having individual owners profiting more than the workers. Both systems have their ideals and challenges. Capitalism champions individual freedom and innovation but can lead to inequality. Communism seeks equality and collective welfare but might struggle with efficiency and motivation. Like in a garden, the health of our apple trees and the fairness of their harvest depend on how we care for them and share their fruits.